Welcome to alltechqueries, a solution for all your technical queries.
In this video, we will explain what is NFC, full form of NFC, how NFC works, what is NFC in phone, what is NFC in credit and debit cards, top 5 uses of NFC, and one major drawback of NFC. Let's begin.
Subscribe to our channel alltechqueries for tech-related videos and how-to tutorials. Also, click on the bell icon to get notified whenever we publish a new informative video.
NFC stands for Near Field Communication. In simple words, NFC is a data transfer and online payment feature which is fast and easy to use when both devices are near to each other. By looking at the full form of NFC, we can assume that it is a communication service that works with nearby devices. You will find the NFC option in several mobile phones and ATM cards. The 3 major benefits of NFC are: NFC is fast, it is easy to use, and it consumes less battery. Any device or service needs an antenna to make communication, whether it is radio, satellite, or any other device. The antenna sends and receives data. Similarly, there is an NFC antenna on your mobile/credit cards. The antenna can be placed in mobile battery, its back cover, or different places of the device. The top 5 uses of NFC are: data transfer, device pairing, making payments, NFC tags, and NFC business cards. Data transfer. If you have an NFC feature on both mobiles, then bring both mobiles together back to back and transfer data without pairing the devices. Device pairing. NFC makes pairing with other devices a lot easy. For connecting a Bluetooth speaker, just turn on the NFC option in your mobile and tap your mobile on the NFC-compatible speaker, or any other device. It will automatically connect them. Making payments. One of the most useful and most used features of NFC is faster payments. In mobile phones you can use apps like Apple Pay, Samsung Pay, etc. to make faster payments. You can make payments by tapping the mobile on the card swipe machine. Most payment terminals are NFC enabled. It makes online payments a lot easier. You can also make payments by tapping your NFC-enabled credit card on the card swipe machine to make payments. NFC Tags. NFC tags allow you to store a small amount of data. You need to purchase NFC cards for this feature. You can store a contact information in the NFC tag, and ask other users to simply scan the tag to read the contact information. NFC Business Cards. NFC Business Cards are similar to the visiting/business cards we usually see and use. It contains basic information about the person, like business name, address, and contact number. As the business card is physically small in size, the user cannot print more information. But an NFC business card has an NFC chip inside the business card. So, when another person taps his NFC-enabled mobile on the card, he gets additional information like website address, social media profiles, location, business timings, and much more. NFC on other devices. NFC is mostly used in mobile phones. But, it can be used on other devices like smartwatches, credit cards, debit cards, and more in the future. NFC on credit and debit cards. If you own a credit card, you may have seen a Wi-Fi-like symbol on the card. It indicates that the credit card is NFC enabled. With NFC-enabled cards, you can simply tap your card on the swiping machine to transfer the money. These days, NFC is also available in debit cards. To prevent theft, NFC feature is usually deactivated by default. You can turn it on using the bank's mobile app and set a limit for NFC transactions. By setting a limit, you can prevent heavy loss. Major drawback of NFC. NFC is useful in several cases, but it also has a major drawback. The main objective of NFC was to make data and money transfer fast and easy. However, the major drawback of NFC is security. NFC doesn't require any password or authentication. Therefore, it is easy for criminals to steal your data/money simply by bringing their devices near your device or credit card. Moreover, the NFC feature in your newly bought mobile is enabled by default. Hence, we suggest you keep the NFC feature disabled. You can turn it on when you want to use it and disable it as soon as the task is done. For credit and debit cards, we suggest you set a limit on the amount that can be transferred using NFC. For example, you can set a limit of $20. So, you can use the NFC feature for transferring $20 only at a time. You can increase or decrease the limit at any time by using the bank's mobile banking application. NFC is getting popular these days on debit and credit cards. NFC is a revolutionary invention that helps us transfer data and money faster just with a tap. However, you should be aware of the security flaw.
Therefore, we suggest our viewers to turn off the NFC feature on phone when not in use, and set a limit for online transactions on your credit and debit cards. Comment below if you have any more queries regarding NFC. If the video was helpful, like our video, and subscribe to our channel All Tech Queries, for more tech-related, informative videos, and how-to tutorials. Follow us on other platforms as well. Links in description. Thank you.